Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra ZE School, Jhansi. In this lecture video, I am explaining you about direct and inverse proportions. First of all, what is a direct proportion? If there are two quantities and if they are in direct proportion, if two quantities are in direct proportion, means if one of the quantity is increased, other will also increase. This is direct proportion. If first quantity is decreased, other quantity will also decrease, and the ratio will be same. For example, if we purchase one pen for rupees 10, then cost of two pens will be 20. Here you can see, if the quantity is increased, then the cost will also increase. If there are 3 pens, rupees 30, 5 pens, rupees 50. If we find out the ratio, 1 pen 10 rupees, 2 pens 20 rupees, so 20 and 2 का ratio 10:1, 3 pens 30 rupees, 30 and 3 का ratio 10:1, 4 pens rupees 40, 40 and 4 का ratio 10:1. Ratio will also be same. Suppose if there are 5 members in our family and the ration works, the food items which we purchase, suppose it work for 30 days. If there are more members, it will decrease. The number of days will decrease. This is inverse proportion. Here you can see, less members, the same food provision is working for more days, will last for more number of days. Here you can see that if the number of members are increased, if 4, 5, 3 members are increased, then the food provision will work for less number of days. This is inverse proportion. See some more examples of inverse proportion. For the construction of any house, if there are 5 labor workers working, definitely some days will take to do the complete construction work. But if there are 15 workers working for the same construction work, the same work will be completed in less number of days. Here you can see that the number of workers are increased, so the number of days in which that work will be completed will be in less number of days. So the conclusion is, if one of the quantity is increased, the other will decrease. If one of the quantity is decreased, other will increase. This is inverse proportion. Let's hear one more example. There are 2 trains. One is a fast train and one is a little bit slow train. Some of the fast trains are Shatabdi Express, Gatiman Express, Rajdhani Express. If you travel, suppose from Jhansi to Delhi by either of this train, Gatiman, Rajdhani or Shatabdi, you will reach to Delhi, I think, in 4 hours or 4.5 hours maximum. But if you travel by any other train, it will take almost 6 hours, 6.5 or 7 hours to reach Delhi. So here, if the speed of the train is more, the duration will be less. If the speed of the train is less, the duration will be more. Here, if the first quantity is more, other is less, It means if one of the quantity is increased, other will decrease, and if the first quantity is decreased, other will increase. This is inverse proportion. Thank you.